Hello everybody, welcome back to Team Insane Trades. We've got another missed trade here for you. This is the ones we don't like. We don't like the missed trades, but what we're looking at on the chart today, it's CAD JPY. It was this morning and we were looking at this channel. It ran from about 11 till 12:20, 12:22 before it broke out, and we were looking at this slight upwards channel. It was just bouncing around in there. Price wasn't really doing much at all, and then it broke the trend line. So we saw this break of the channel. It came down, it pulled back, and it went again. And this was one massive move that we missed this morning. If we put our, let's say we get in after this, we'll put a stop just above the recent highs, and we'll aim for a 1 to 1.5. So we definitely hit a 1 to 1.5. We hit if you follow it down to the bottom, you're probably going to get a 1 to 3. Yeah, so we get a 1 to 3 at least there. Price did start to sort of form another channel at the bottom here, put a trend line across, and we were waiting for this breakout move. And this one really done me over, really, because I didn't set the stop loss right. And this is the importance of stop losses. You've got to get the stop loss set right. Not having the stop loss right was an absolute nightmare, because we put it in there. We were wanting a small move, and it just wicked out and done me. So the importance of stop losses is just paramount, really, when you're doing these breakout trends, and well, any trading really. If you don't have a good risk to reward management, I guess you're going to get stopped out, aren't you? So we're learning every day. So we took this trade. Had we set the stop loss right, we would have had another decent trade. We'd have gone for a 1 to 1.5, I think, at the time. So we were on this candle here. I had the stop loss really tight. I think it was around 10 pips. So, and we were going for a 1 to 1.5. So we weren't looking for much at all out of it. And we'd have probably got that with a better stop loss. We could have, we would have been up here maybe if we'd have put the stop loss to the recent low. That would probably too much for me. I don't like a 20 pip stop loss, but when you're doing this 1 to 1.5, we'd have still got our 1 to 1.5 on a 20 pip stop loss, where it's at, where price is at now. So this is where price is currently at. So I'm currently looking for this. We're now overbought on both momentum and on the stochastics. So on the MACD we're well above, and on the stochastics we're well above. So what I'm looking for now is I'm probably looking for a Rob Booker indicator to pop up as both the stochastics and the MACD are crossing over. And if we cut back to the chart where I have the Rob Booker indicators on, we did get that buy, that buy symbol, and that's one of the reasons why we took this trade. I probably took it a little bit late. I would have had my stop loss lower if I'd have took it at the right time. And this is just a learning curve, guys, and that's why I'm on a paper trading account and not blowing money at the moment. But we're still doing good. We're still hitting trades. I think for me, it's about learning, and it's about honing your skills, and I've definitely got the right concept. You can see that it does work. You've got to be there to see it. I maybe should have set an alert on this channel. So I think going forward we'll be setting the alerts on the channels and just seeing when that price crosses. But we've got Rob Booker indicators here, we've got Rob Booker indicators here. Now these ones, we didn't, I wouldn't have took that trade at the time because it wasn't right for me. The signals weren't right. This is right here now. This is right. So if we get the signal where we are now, yeah, I'm going to take the trade. But on this, I'm not taking that trade at the moment. I'm taking the breakout, and I would have happily taken the breakout. And I'm taking this because it's all coming over at the right time from massively oversold. So that's the difference between the indicators. If you take the indicators when they're massively oversold, you're going to get something out of it. If you do it when price is just teetering across the line and it's not really got no price action or momentum, it's not happening, So we'll keep going. We'll keep investigating these Rob Booker. I know I'm a big fan of Rob Booker at the moment. I like some of his stuff on there about the divergence and other stuff. So at the moment we're trading this, and we're trying to win in the market, but we're learning at the same time, and that's what it's all about for us. So if you like the content, guys, please subscribe, please like the video, please comment if you can. I want to be out there doing this with real money, and the more info, the more help, the more comments, constructive comments, please. It's all welcome. I'll just ignore the trolls, so don't worry about that. But yeah, have a good day. We'll carry on trading, and hopefully we'll bring you some more content.